Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a lace doily. You can see double crochet shell stitch pattern here, and you can also see a very beautiful and retractable pineapple stitch pattern in this lace doily. So if you wanna learn how to crochet a lace doily, please jump into the tutorial straight. So friends, for this project, I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making 6 base chain, go into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a ring. Now make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a second double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and make total 20 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So after completing 20 double crochet stitches, go into the first chain, top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish your first row, and again make chain 3, which is our first double crochet, and make chain 1. Go into the second double crochet stitch and make double crochet 2 after chain 3. Now make chain 1 again. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 again. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch. So repeat the same pattern of 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet till the end of the row. So now make last chain 1, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. So we have total of 20 double crochet and 20 chain 1 spaces in our second row. Now for the third row, go into this chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. We are going to start our third row from here. So make chain 3. This is our first double crochet stitch. Go into the same space and make double crochet 2. Now go into the second chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet stitches here. Now go into the next and again make 2 double crochet stitches into the third chain 1 space as well. So make 2 double crochet stitch into every chain 1 space and complete your row with 40 double crochet stitches. I have finished my row by making a slip stitch. So for the fourth row, make chain 3, wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch and make a increased second double crochet stitch. After making 2 double crochet stitch increase, go into the next double crochet stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now go into the next double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here. 1, 2, like this. Now after making 2 double crochet stitches, go into next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Into the next again 2 double crochet stitch increase, go into the next and make 1 double crochet stitch. So repeat the pattern of 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet again and again. We will have 60 double crochet stitches in our fourth row. So after completing this, for the next row, make chain 3, go into the same stitch and make increased double crochet stitch. Now make chain 2. After making 2 chains, wrap the yarn, skip 2 double crochet stitches here, go into the third double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here, 1 and 2. Now make 2 chains again. After making 2 chains, wrap the yarn, skip 2 double crochet stitch again, go into the third stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. Now again 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, go into the third and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. So we are making 2 double crochet stitch increase and chain 2. So at the end of this row we will have 40 double crochet and 40 chain 2 spaces in total. So we have finished our row. For the next row, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into next chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our next row. So make chain 3, go into the same space and make a double crochet stitch. So we have 2 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 2 space again and make 2 more double crochet stitches here. So this is our 2 double crochet chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch basically. So now go into the second chain 2 space and make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. So this is simple pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing the row, for the next row, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our shell stitch row. So we will always start our row from this chain 1 space of shell stitch. So repeat the same pattern of chain 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet for our first shell stitch. Now go into the second chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, chain 1, go into the same chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet stitches again. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So friends, I have completed my row and I have also made first shell stitch. Now here we are going to change our pattern. Make chain 1 here. After making first shell, wrap the yarn, go into the second shell, chain 1 space and repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet for our shell stitch. Now again make chain 1, go into the third shell, chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, shell stitch. So here we are making chain 1 between our shell stitches. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your row, now for the next row, after your first shell stitch, make chain 2, go into the second shell and make your second shell here by repeating the same pattern. So now make chain 2 again and go into the third shell and make your shell stitch. So we are going to make chain 2 between our shell stitches in our row. So complete this row by repeating the same pattern. After completing the chain 2 row, in the next row we are going to make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So after making chain 3, go into the second shell stitch and make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch. Again make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Go into the next and make your shell stitch here. So in this row we are going to make chain 3 between our shell stitches. So repeat the same pattern for this row. So after completing this row, pull the extra yarn because we are going to change the color of yarn for our next rows, and weave this extra yarn end with the help of needle to secure your work. So go into the next double crochet stitch and take your yarn to back side. After taking it to back side, go into any stitch from the back side and make a slip knot first to secure your work, and then weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches to secure your work, and then cut the extra yarn. So now first of all make a slip knot and go into any chain 1 space of any shell and make a slip stitch. Start with chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch, and make double crochet 2, chain 1, go into the same chain 1 space and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, same pattern of shell stitch. After making shell stitch, cut this extra yarn tail and go into the next chain 1 space, make chain 2 first. After making chain 2, go into the next chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Make simple 9 double crochet shell stitch like this, and again make chain 2, go into the next shell stitch and make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, now again make chain 2, go into the next shell stitch and make 9 double crochet stitches here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After completing 9 double crochet shell stitch, again repeat the previous shell and repeat this pattern again and again till the end of the row. So after completing your row, for the next row, after making first shell stitch by repeating the same pattern, make chain 2 again and wrap the yarn twice for triple crochet stitch. Go into this first double crochet stitch of our shell, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops. This is our triple crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn twice again, go into the second double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops and then third 2 loops. This is our second triple crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern and make triple crochet 3, and repeat this pattern till the end. So friends, I have completed 9 triple crochet stitches. You can see after completing 9 triple crochet stitches, make chain 2, go into the next shell stitch and make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch pattern. So that's mean repeat the same pattern. Now make chain 2 again, wrap the yarn twice, go into the first double crochet stitch of 9 double crochet shell stitch and make triple crochet 1, go into the second one and make triple crochet 2, go into the third and make triple crochet 3 and repeat the same pattern for the whole shell stitch and make 9 triple crochet stitches as we have done for the first shell stitch, and repeat this pattern till the end. After completing your row, for the next row, after making first shell stitch, make chain 2, go into the first triple crochet stitch and pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. From here our pineapple stitch pattern is going to start. So make chain 3, go into the second triple crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch, make chain 3, go into the third triple crochet stitch and make single crochet stitch, make chain 3 again, go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern of chain 3 and single crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end. So friends, I have completed for my first shell chain 3 and single crochet. Now make chain 2 again as we are doing in every row and repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet chain 1 and 2 double crochet shell stitch for the next shell stitch. and after completing it, make chain 2 again and go into this first triple crochet stitch, make single crochet, chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet again, make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet, make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet. Repeat this pattern till the end of the shell and repeat this whole pattern for the rest of the row. So after completing your row, now you can see we have total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 chain 3 spaces here. So we are going to reduce these. So make chain 2, go into the first, chain 3 space here and make a single crochet stitch, make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet stitch, again make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet stitch, again make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet stitch, again make chain 3, go into the next and make single crochet stitch, and repeat this pattern till the last chain 3 space, and we will have 7 chain 3 spaces in this row. Like you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we are 7 here. Make chain 2, go into the next shell stitch and repeat the same pattern, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, so now repeat this pattern of shell stitches and chain 3 spaces and single crochet stitch again and again till the end of the row, and make one more row. We will have 6 double crochet stitches, 6 chain 3 spaces in our next row. So friends, after completing your next row, you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chain 3 spaces for our row. So now we are going to change our pattern for our shell stitch. So make chain 3, wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch and make double crochet 2. After chain 3, make chain 1, go into the same stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches, again make chain 1 here and 2 more double crochet stitches into the same chain 1 space. So we are having basically 2 shell stitches here of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, as you can see. So after completing this, make chain 2 as usual, go into the first, chain 3 space and make single crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern of chain 3 and single crochet stitch. We will have 5 single crochet stitches, chain 3 spaces in this row. So repeat the same pattern So now you can see we have 1 2 3 4 and 5 chain 3 spaces. Now make chain 2 again, wrap the yarn, go into the next chain 1 space and repeat the same pattern for our shell stitch as we have done for the first shell stitch. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet and chain 1 again, 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain 1 space. So this is our pattern for this row. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your row, go into this first chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch, because we are going to start our pineapple stitch. First petal from here into this chain 1 space. So repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet for our first shell stitch. Now make chain 2, go into this first chain 3 space and make a single crochet stitch. Make chain 3, go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Again chain 3, go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet stitch. Chain 3 and single crochet. Last time chain 3 and single crochet. So we are having total 4 chain 3 spaces. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into this second shell stitch, first chain 1 space and repeat the same pattern for our shell stitch as we were doing before. Now from here we are going to turn our project for the next row. Go into this first double crochet stitch here and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our row. So make chain 3 and double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet for our shell stitch. Now make chain 2, go into the first chain 3 space and single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain 2, chain 3 space, chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and this is last time chain 3 and single crochet. So we are having 3 chain spaces, 1 decreased as usual. Now make chain 2, go into the chain 1 space of shell stitch and make another shell stitch here. Now after completing your shell stitch, again turn your work and repeat the same pattern for our row. Go into this first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Go into the next double crochet stitch and make slip stitch. Go into the next chain 1 space and make slip stitch. Now make 3 chains double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. for our shell stitch. Make chain 2, go into this first, chain 3 space and make single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the next, chain 3 space, chain 3 and single crochet into the next, chain 3 space. So we are having 2 chain 3 spaces here. Make chain 2 and make shell stitch again. Now again turn your work. Now you can see the shape. Turn your work, make slip stitches and make shell stitch by repeating the same pattern. I hope you can easily understand this pattern. Now make chain 2, go into the first chain 3 space and make single crochet stitch, make chain 3, go into the second chain 3 space and make single crochet. So now we have 1 chain 3 space. In the last, make chain 2, go into the chain 1 space and make shell stitch here. Now you can see our pineapple stitch. So after this, only one row left. Pattern for the last row is little bit change. So make slip stitch. And here for the shell stitch, make chain 3 and second double crochet stitch, chain 1 and 1 double crochet stitch here. We are not making 2 double crochet stitches here, we are making 1 double crochet stitch for our shell stitch. In the last row, make chain 2, go into this chain 3 space and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 2, go into this chain 1 space and make 1 double crochet stitch, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitch. Pattern. So after completing this, turn your row and to join them, first of all make 2 slip stitches into this first, 2 double crochet stitches, go into this chain 1 space of shell stitch, go into the second chain 1 space of second shell stitch like this, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch here, not the slip stitch. Make single crochet stitch here to secure your work and to join these shell stitches. Now go into this second double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch, go into this chain 3 back ridge of our chain and make a second slip stitch. Now pull the extra yarn, cut it off and weave this extra yarn and with the help of tapestry needle do some backside stitches to secure your work. So friends, our pineapple stitch is ready. This is our first pineapple shell stitch pattern. Now I will show you how to make the second one. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, go into this second chain 1 space of our shell stitch and make a slip stitch. Now take this starting yarn tail between your stitches and make chain 3, double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. So this is our first shell stitch. Now make chain 2, go into the chain 3 space, make single crochet and chain 3, go into the next space and make single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet. Repeat this pattern. And after completing it, make chain 2 in the last as usual, go into the next shell stitch, chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet for our shell stitch. So this is the pattern we are going to follow for our every pineapple stitch. So repeat the same pattern as we have done for the first pineapple stitch. Repeat the same for the second and for the rest, and complete your laced doily. So friends, I have completed my laced doily of pineapple stitch pattern. So I hope you guys like it. So if you like it, must try it. If you have any query about this tutorial, please ask in the comment section. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.